Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reduce WhatsApp call data usage so you will use less data for calls in WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to go to your WhatsApp and after that click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, click on settings and scroll down until you find an option called storage and data. Click on it, and as you can see, there is an option, the third option, called use less data for calls. Just activate it, and like that you will use less data for your calls on WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also to like this video, and see you in the next one.